It took me 2 hours to design this complete app from scratch. It comes with micro animations, it's fully interactive and production ready. And I didn't even use Figma. Everything happened inside Claude Code. Now, if you are a designer, you've probably seen developers talk about this tool and thought it wasn't for you. But this recent update just changed that. You can now build your entire design inside the Claude Code, and when you are ready to refine it, push it straight to Figma as editable layers. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step setup of Claude Code and how to sync it with Figma. Then I will show you 3 use cases that are specifically powerful for designers, and I will finish with the mistakes I made using this tool so you don't have to. So most people, when they want to use Claude Code, they will go to Cursor or Anti-Gravity, for example, and they will just click on a new chat and select Opus 4.6, which is actually the technology behind Claude Code. But this is not what you want to do because you will run out of credits very fast. So now let me show you the only setup designers need in order to create production-ready apps. So now the first step is to install what we call an environment. Essentially, what's an environment? You have the first option over here. It's a place where you can have all your files in one place and also have some AI agents. And those agents will just take a look at the files, improve it, write new things, create new files, and everything will be in one place. So this is the first option. The second one is Google Anti-Gravity. And the third one is Cursor. For me, this is what I prefer to use. So you can just pick one of the 3 and click on download. So once you are inside Cursor, this is how the interface looks like. By the way, I have a pro account, but you don't need it, okay? You can have a free one without any problem. You can connect it to GitHub by cloning a repo. Essentially, GitHub will allow you to have your project hosted on the cloud. What I recommend you to do is to start building your project locally, and if you want to share it, then you can push it to GitHub very easily. So to start building a project locally, just go to Open Project. For example, I have this coding file. I just have to click here, and then you just want to open one of your files. For example, I will just open this one. If you click over here, you can now see all of your files. Okay, I don't have any because this is a blank new project. And on the right panel, you can see the chat interface, but as I told you at the beginning, we don't want this one. So the second step is to install Claude Code. So you want to go to this website. By the way, I will put a link in the video description. And then what you want to do is to subscribe to one of the plans. I recommend starting with the Pro if you just want to experiment the tool. And if you want to start building like a real production app, then definitely go right away with the Max. You can, for example, run multiple agents at the same time and you will never run out of credits. Now guys, as you can see, Claude Code is paid. Okay, you have to subscribe to a plan, but I got something for you. So as you can see in my Claude Code account, I can gift 3 pass, which will give access of 1 week for free of Claude Code to one of you. So I will just select the best comments below this video. So just share me your thoughts about all these vibe coding tools as a designer, and I will essentially pick the 3 best ones and will send you 1 week for free of Claude Code. Now, once you have the subscription of Claude Code, the next step is to go back to your environment. In that case, it's Cursor. Then you want to click on extension, as you can see here, and you want to type Claude Code. Alright, it's this one. Make sure that it's the verified one, okay, because there are some scams sometimes. And you want to click on install. In my case, it's already installed, but it doesn't change anything. Just click install, and after that, you want to go to the 3 dots over here and click on Claude Code. Then you can just close all of that. Same for this, and you have access to your Claude Code. And now the final step is to sync Figma. So for that, it's very simple. You just want to run this exact command and click enter. And by the way, I've created a full guide with the step-by-step install process and also all the prompts I will share in this video. So you can download it for free. First link in the video description. And to finish the setup of the Figma, you need to go to security and you want to create a new token, okay, that you can call Claude Code. And you want to make sure as well that you give all the permission to Claude Code so that you don't have any problems, and set the expiration to 90 days. Create the token. Then after that, you want to give the token to Claude Code and ask him to install it. and that will be done. You will have Claude Code installed inside Cursor and the Figma which is synced. So now we can move on to the 3 use cases. So now let's say you have this design system, okay, that you just designed, you're really happy about the results, and you just want to translate it into code. In the past, it used to take at least 1 month minimum, but now you can do it in like a few hours with Claude Code. And it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is to go to the dev mode, click on the first page that you want to integrate. In that case, it will be the typography. And after that, we'll move on to the colors, shadow, buttons, and so on. You want to do it one by one, otherwise it will just mess up the code. Then you want to go to copy example prompts, go back to cursor, and just paste the prompt and click enter. Now, as you can see, so new file typography.html. So this is where we can see our final design. I will show you. And it has updated as well the styles.css. So if we go to our project, we can go to styles.css, and here we can see everything which has been updated and coded for us based on our Figma design. And here for the typography, we can see a page with our complete typography system, which has been added. And in comparison to the design, this is what we have. So it's exactly the same. And now all we have to do is to repeat the same process for the colors, the shadows, the buttons, and every other element of our design system. Now, moving on to the second use case. Let's say I'm looking for design inspiration and I want to do like a quick prototype. I just found this design that I really like, so I'm just going to take a screenshot, just like that. Then I want to go to cursor and open a new folder. Okay, let's say inside of that, new folder. Open. Now, as before, I want to close that and want to open Claude Code window, just like that. Here we can just like upload our screenshot. We have a nice preview on the right. We can also drag the window like this, and then just write a nice prompt describing the application you are trying to build, and say that you want to have like a similar layout style and visual style, and ask Claude Code finally to generate a single HTML file with CSS. Then hit enter and Claude Code will start working. And this prompt, I want to be clear on that, it will generate only the front end, okay? Not the full application. So this is great if you want to explore some ideas, and I will show you after that how you can move it, the design, to Figma very easily. He's also using some weird words, as you can see here, but essentially it just means that he's working, which is the most important. Okay, the file is ready, great news. If we take a look at our files over here, we have this new HTML file. Let's just right click and click on open with live server. And this is our design. As you can see, just a one-shot prompt. Okay, this is not working, but we have some nice hover animation. And again, this is just one prompt. So after that, you can just iterate, ask him to add new pages, ask him to make it in dark mode maybe. And the progress page is actually looking good with some nice hover animations. This has been done in maximum 1 minute. And also, if you don't have this open with the live server to see the result, you just have to click on extensions and type for live server and install it. And after that, it will appear. When you do right click, you will have this open with the live server and you can see it on your browser. And after that, if you want to push it to Figma, you can just install this extension called HTML to design, then click on capture current page. You want to go back to Figma, then search for HTML to design. All right, then go to file, upload your file over here. This is the one. Just click on proceed and it will upload for you the complete design, okay, with auto layouts that you can just edit by yourself. So that was for the second use case. Now let's move on to the final one. And in this one, I'm going to show you how you can basically take your design. In this case, I have this landing page and push it into code in just a few minutes. So the first step is to go to Figma, go to your design, then you want to right click and go to copy link to selection. Then you want to go back to Claude Code and say, this is my landing page Figma design. I want you to transform this design into code using HTML and CSS. As it's a website, we can use HTML, CSS without any problem. And this is what we have. So pretty good. As you can see, we still need to update some of the things, like the hero image is not showing. Same for all of that. We actually have like a custom illustration created fully by AI. All of that has been created by AI. Yeah, so this is a good start for like a first prompt, a one-shot prompt. But like after that, you just need to iterate. What works really well is just sending a link to one section of the site and then asking the AI to correct this specific section instead of just sending the complete homepage at once. It's not the best method. And by the way, if you want like a full video tutorial on how to go from a design to a complete live website using Claude Code, let me know in the comments. So that was it guys for this video. Again, if you want to have all the prompts I've used and the complete install guide, click the first link in the video description. And if you want to get the chance to get 1 week free of Claude Code, just write a comment sharing your thoughts about all these vibe coding tools as a designer. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.